In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your workflow in Adobe After Effects for better performance. Working efficiently in After Effects can sometimes feel challenging due to its complex nature, but with a few adjustments, you can significantly enhance your editing experience. Let's dive in and explore these essential tips that will help you streamline your process and make your projects run smoother. First, let's talk about preview resolution. When you're deep into editing, it's crucial to remember that the resolution you see in your preview or composition panel directly affects how hard After Effects has to work. By setting your playback resolution to half or even quarter instead of full, you're reducing the load on the system, allowing After Effects to perform much more efficiently. Now, if you want to go even further, consider using the fast previews or adaptive resolution modes while you're editing. What these modes do is adjust the resolution dynamically, ensuring that you get the best performance without compromising too much on the quality of what you're seeing. Only switch back to full resolution when you are ready to render your final product. Next, let's manage your disk and media cache. A well-managed cache can make a significant difference to how After Effects performs. Whether you're using a Mac or Windows, you'll head over to the Preferences menu, under Edit, if you're on Windows, or directly from After Effects on a Mac. Once there, look for Media and Disk Cache. The options to empty disk cache and clean database and cache are there for you to use and can be especially helpful if you're noticing any lag or stutter in performance. For even better results, try storing your cache on a fast SSD. This can make accessing cache files quicker and smoother. Don't forget to set a large maximum size for your disk cache to ensure that you have plenty of space for all the heavy lifting your projects demand. Lastly, optimizing how After Effects utilizes your computer's resources is key. Again, within Preferences, this time focusing on memory and performance, you'll want to allocate more RAM to After Effects. By reducing the amount of RAM reserved for other applications, After Effects can take full advantage of the resources available, ensuring smoother and faster performance. If your CPU has multiple cores, enabling multi-frame rendering can further enhance this process. This feature allows After Effects to render frames concurrently, leveraging the full power of your machine's CPU, cutting down on render times and improving productivity. By implementing these adjustments, you'll discover a more efficient workflow in After Effects, saving time and reducing frustration. With these insights, you're well on your way to mastering the art of efficient editing and rendering, making each project you handle a triumph of creativity and efficiency. Thank you for joining me today, and happy editing.